Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank you so much for dropping into my series, Who Knew? Today we're going to be talking about junk journal free resources. Okay, I can't touch on everything. Please know that, but I'm going to give you a few pretty good ones, I think. But I'll ask for anybody watching, if there are other free resources that you know about, please feel free to put those in the comments. Okay, the first one we're going to touch on is a biggie. I love the Library of Congress. Library of Congress has a digital library. They have, oh my God, a gabillion images that are all public. Well, not all. No, I shouldn't say that. That a lot of them are public domain. Now, public domain means that you can just use them in your junk journals, okay? Public domain images were created before January 1st, 1929. All right. Now, a lot of other things are copyrighted, but they do a good distinction between, so you'll be able to tell. There's another website out there. It's the David Rumsey Map Collection. You know, as junk journalers, we love map images. He has, or I'm assuming it's a he, has so many images on this site. I was so glad to come across this. And guys, I'll have these resources linked in my description for you, okay? Now, I also want you to check your state resources. I know the state of Louisiana has a digital library, and they too have a ton of public domain images that I can go download. And they're beautiful. Oh my gosh, some of these images are incredible. You can go down a rabbit hole and spend hours, or I can spend hours and hours. Now, let's touch a little closer to home. Creators. There are different junk journal creators who will periodically, and sometimes even weekly, offer free digital downloads for their subscribers. Now, I'm just going to name a few of them. Rach and Bella, Joey Cardmaker, Hither and Yon Studios, Angela the Traveling Crafter, and Hazel and Naka. Angela and Hazel have free digital downloads on their Ko-fi sites. So don't forget, you know, if you're a subscriber to these channels, you may have heard these offers already, but you can go check on some of your favorite creators. Go look at their Ko-fi sites and see if they have some free digital downloads. They may even do it on Etsy too. I'm just not sure. I just know that a lot of times I'll hear them direct you to Ko-fi to go download. Hither and Yon, I signed up for DJ is Hither and Yon. I signed up for her free newsletter. It comes to me weekly, and almost every week, if not every week, I get a free digital from her. Now, I don't know if that will continue, but I'm just saying, and she does beautiful work, and if you're not subscribed to her, please go subscribe. Again, I'll have all of this linked in the description. We all know Graphics Fairy, right? If you don't know Graphics Fairy is a huge one. That is a great resource for junk journalers to be able to go and actually download. She has for every season, every genre, boho, shabby chic. I mean, it's just amazing at how much she has on that website. Now, one thing that I'm going to remind you of that you may not think about is your own public library. Here, I can't speak for every state, but I know here in the state of Louisiana, where I live in the Acadiana area, every year, my public library goes through their magazines, their physical magazines, and they put them in stacks, and first come, first serve, free. Those magazine images, I mean, you're talking about the library gets a number of different wonderful magazines. So I know that comes up in February. I have a little reminder for myself to go stop by my public library and just check them out. And they'll do it periodically too. Even I know here, even with some books, not all, because they do have a Friends of the Library sale here. Now, again, I'll ask if you know of any other free resources that, of course, I haven't mentioned here because I can't mention them all in 5 minutes, and I don't know them all. Please share with us in the comments so that everybody that kind of comes in and watches this video, they all go and check out the comments. I know they do. So that's going to wrap it up for today, my friends. Thank you so much for dropping in. And remember what I always say, I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm having with the Who Knew series. Thanks, guys, and we'll chat soon. Bye.